Hello everyone. This video is going to show you how to retrieve longitudes and latitudes by using addresses in R. So the first thing you have to do before you do anything is go to this website here, developer.mapquest.com, and register for a free API. This API will give you 15,000 hits per month at no cost. Alright, once you've done that and you have your API key, you're going to go ahead and install a package remotes if you don't already have it, and you're going to install a package from GitHub. So using this line of code here. Alright, and besides MapQuest R, which is going to be the library that we're going to be using, you'll also need tidyverse. All right, so we're gonna, as an example, we're gonna just do, we're gonna have 5 addresses here. All right, you can see the 5 addresses, and we're gonna use the argument geocode_mapquest. So that's gonna be your X, your variable X. These are gonna be the 5 addresses, and your key. Here is where you would enter your key. Make sure not to give your key out to anybody else. So I just did a variable, my key. I think it's about 20 or 30 characters. And then we're going to pipe it into a data frame. So if we go ahead and hit run, you see here you have that full address, and you have the latitude and the longitude. So pretty simple. If you have any questions, if you get stuck, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you.